Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the exact address you want to search. Precision matters because ZIP codes can split by building or PO box. Once you have street number, city, and state, you avoid ambiguous results and speed the lookup. If you only know a place name, identify the nearest intersection or landmark to narrow it down. Make sure to note apartment or suite numbers when relevant, since those can change the ZIP code, returned for delivery versus general area. You should use the official USP's ZIP code lookup as the single reliable method. It maps addresses to delivery ZIP codes and corrects formatting. Enter each field exactly: street, secondary unit, city, state. Once done, select the delivery type, residential, business, or PO box, because results differ. The tool also normalizes abbreviations and returns +4 codes when available, which is why relying on the official source prevents mismatches and ensures mailability and proper routing for shipment. You finish by copying the ZIP +4 and the standardized address the lookup gives you, then verify by re-entering the same data to confirm consistency. Once confirmed, use that formatted address on labels, shipping systems, or official forms to prevent delays. If the result seems wrong, double-check spelling, suite or apartment numbers, and city/state pairing. Mistakes there cause errors. If mismatches persist, contact your local post office for clarification. That step resolves delivery exceptions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.